fasting in the 4 forbidden months, of which you said, I believe, was a sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Could you tell us which are those months?
The 4 forbidden months, known as Ashurul Hurum, the 4 forbidden months, where it is a sunnah, it's voluntary, it's recommended to fast, are Dhul-Qa'dah, Dhul-Hijjah, Muharram and Rajab. If anyone fasts during these 4 months, it is recommended, it comes in the voluntary fast.
Okay, thank you. Another of the 9 categories you mentioned is the fasting on Monday and Thursday. Can you tell us why the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recommended Monday and Thursday for fasting?
The reason why Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recommended the Muslims to fast on Monday and Thursday, according to the Hadith of Musnad Ahmad, volume number 2, Hadith number 8361, the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when someone asked him that, why do you fast on Mondays and Thursdays? He said, these are the 2 days when the deeds of the human beings are shown to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He pardons the believers, unless 2 believers who don't look at one another. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angel that delay them. That's the reason Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam preferred fasting on these 2 days. When the deeds are exhibited to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he preferred fasting on those days. Further, there's a hadith in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, book of fasting, hadith number 2606, that once a person asked the Prophet that, why do you fast on Mondays? The Prophet said, I fast on Mondays because that is the day that I was born. And that is the day when the Quran was revealed to me. So because of these 2 reasons, fasting on Monday is also recommended.
No doubt a very excellent day, Monday and the Thursday, to fast. May Allah make it easy for us to fast on those 2 days continuously, inshallah, throughout the year. Dr. Zakir, another of the categories you mentioned that Muslims encouraged to fast throughout the year is the Ayyaamul Beedh, which you've mentioned, 13th, 14th and 15th, the middle portion of each lunar month. Could you explain the significance of those days, please?
Ayyaamul Beedh are the days of the full moon, and that is the 13th, 14th and 15th of every lunar month. And the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sunan Nasai, book of fasting, hadith number 2424, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that you should fast 3 days every month, and that would be equal to as though you have fasted for the full year. And the other hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1975 says that when you fast for 3 days every month for the full year, it is as though you have fasted for the full year, because every deed gets multiplied by 10 times. So if you fast 3 days every month, it's equal to full month. And if you fast 3 days every month, it becomes the full year. So that's the reason the Prophet ﷺ said, fast 3 days every month, so that as though you have fasted for the full year. And if you fast every year of your life, 3 days every month, it is as though you have fasted for the full life. So that is the reason why Muhammad ﷺ said, fast during the Ayyaamul Beedh.